This decision is a major victory for Ripple in their legal struggle against the SEC in the United States. For the trajectory of cryptocurrencies, this might be a game changer. After years of court drama, the SEC case against Ripple appears to be heading towards a favorable outcome. After offering XRP as an unregistered security, Ripple was sued by the SEC in late 2020. The legal battle started at this point. The case has generated a great deal of interest among cryptocurrency enthusiasts. No one knows if Ripple has a chance of winning or if the government will pursue the entire company. Ripple appears to have been successful in its protection. In addition to relieving a significant burden for Ripple, the court's decision sends a powerful signal to the whole cryptocurrency industry. What happens in this case might have long-term consequences for how consumers treat digital commodities. With the conclusion of the SEC lawsuit in sight and Ripple's chances of victory increasing, how does this impact the ongoing conversation in the U.S. over cryptocurrency regulation, the overall crypto market, and XRP future? This victory's significance can be better grasped by reviewing the background of the SEC versus Ripple case. Claiming that Ripple was selling XRP as an unregistered security, the SEC filed a lawsuit against the firm in December 2020. Everything began with this. According to the SEC, XRP should be treated similarly to a stock. To rephrase, the sale to the general public was contingent upon its listing with the government. Not only Ripple, but the entire cryptocurrency industry was heavily invested in this court battle. If the SEC is successful, it could signal that the government can regulate other cryptocurrencies as securities, which is a worrying development. For crypto groups aiming to expand and develop new ideas, that may have meant more regulations, paperwork, and uncertainty. The position taken by Ripple is in stark contrast to the SEC. Business representatives clarified that XRP was not a promise but rather a digital asset similar to Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are viewed as commodities. Since XRP had been in existence for a while, and the regulations regarding the regulation of cryptocurrencies were still unclear, Ripple claimed the SEC overstepped its bounds and unfairly targeted the company. Ripple contended that the SEC was penalizing them for attempting to pioneer a new industry and that the government had failed to provide sufficient assistance. Both sides fought tooth and nail, making the lengthy court case difficult to follow. Even Ripple has major issues such as the inaccessibility of critical internal documents. However, by challenging the SEC interpretation of the law and rejecting their assertions, the corporation still had a solid case. Over the course of the litigation, it tainted Ripple's reputation and caused XRP future to seem uncertain. However, Ripple maintained its will to safeguard itself and its cryptocurrency. With the latest developments in the lawsuit nearing its conclusion, it is evident that Ripple's legal team has accomplished a great deal in establishing their case. Now that the odds are in Ripple's favor, the cryptocurrency community is watching closely to see what happens next. What happens next may have far-reaching consequences for Ripple and cryptocurrency regulation in the United States. For XRP, what exactly does Ripple's court victory imply? The market is already sensing the impact. In response to the announcement that Ripple had prevailed in court, the value of XRP surged. It didn't take long for traders and investors to notice that XRP long-simmering doubts were starting to fade. The market now knows Ripple is secure thanks to this win, and more exchanges may start offering XRP as a consequence. This is particularly true in jurisdictions where it was previously withdrawn from sale due to legal concerns. The short-term impact of these modifications on XRP price is positive, but the long-term repercussions will be far more significant. Now that the SEC case has concluded, Ripple can abandon its constant concern about lawsuits and devote its resources to its core business. This paves the path for Ripple to continue forging new partnerships, improving its technology, and implementing its goals to revolutionize cross-border payments with blockchain technology. A boost in demand and acceptance of XRP could be on the horizon after this judicial victory gives XRP owners hope for the token's future. The entire cryptocurrency market, not simply the value of XRP, might be significantly impacted by Ripple's victory. For a long time, Crypto projects drew the line between being controlled by the government and being unable to cope with the ambiguity of regulations around digital assets. U.S. regulatory climate and facilitate the launch of other initiatives, considering that their coins might avoid legal issues like Ripple's did. A success for Ripple in court might provide much-needed stability to the whole cryptocurrency market, which would be great for XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Additional funding and innovative thinking in the field may result from this. With Ripple's progress, XRP future seems considerably better. What happens next is of utmost interest to everyone in the cryptocurrency industry. The ripple effect of this court victory extends beyond Ripple and XRP. This has a profound impact on the Bitcoin industry. There has never been a court case involving cryptocurrency as carefully followed as the SEC case against Ripple. Future regulatory policies regarding digital assets may be significantly affected by the outcome. With their victory, Ripple has sent a clear message to other cryptocurrency projects that they may not face the same scrutiny as equities, at least not according to the SEC initial plans. The cryptocurrency industry has been mired in regulatory uncertainty for quite some time due to hazy guidelines and inconsistent enforcement. This triumph demonstrates that cryptocurrency can thrive in the face of regulations originally designed for more conventional financial instruments. If Ripple's victory stands, it could encourage other projects to take a stance if they believe the CC or other authorities are overstepping their bounds. The ultimate result might be a more nuanced regulatory framework that encourages innovation in the cryptocurrency space while safeguarding investors. A far more significant issue is also raised by the Ripple case: the future of cryptocurrency and the U.S. government. What will they do? With this victory, we may see a more transparent and uniform method of managing digital assets, which is important given the meteoric rise in popularity of cryptocurrencies. Future cases and choices may be impacted by the outcome. It will provide authorities and crypto firms with much-needed guidance. With this ruling, the U.S. government hopes to kick off a larger conversation about regulating cryptocurrencies fairly. Welcome.